Don't take CBD until you do this one thing. Get informed, not stoned. Everyone in America wants to know, is it true? Could a plant like this really be the biggest medical breakthrough of our time? Could this one miracle plant really change the way we take control of our health forever? My friends, it already has, and you're about to see exactly how to take advantage of this yourself. The media is in a frenzy. Every single day there's a new headline. CNN declares a global revolution is underway. The Guardian calls it a miracle compound. The Wall Street Journal says it's like the internet in 1997. The Today Show named it the latest health trend. You're going to see a lot more of it. And Fox News asks, will it go mainstream? But what really matters is the results. Tens of thousands of people are saying it's a miracle. Nothing else worked for me until I found this, said Mark G. Audrey W. says, I feel as different as night and day. Another one, this is a lifesaver. For the first time in 81 years, Americans have access to a healing plant that many of the nation's top doctors are calling the most powerful on earth. In fact, the New York Times called it the cure for the 21st century. The research and thousands of people who have already tried it say it eliminates the pain of stiff, aching joints. It frees you from the spiraling anxiety that's woven into modern life, and it gives you the best sleep of your life every night. It has so many beneficial effects throughout the entire body, doctors say that they can't even name them all yet. This healing plant can take on all of it, and that's just the beginning. The most famous doctors in America are not only talking about it, they are using it themselves. Dr. Sanjay Gupta, the chief medical correspondent for CNN, once dismissed the benefits of this powerful botanical. Then he spent 5 years traveling the world studying it, and what he uncovered dramatically changed his tune. Sometimes it's the only thing that works, Dr. Gupta says, and he's all over the TV talking about it, this from the Dr. Oz show to the nightly news. And Dr. Fred Pescatore, founding director of Medicine 369 in New York, says, I've gained a whole new respect for the many things this little plant can do. It's safe, it's effective, and it's natural. And world-renowned integrated medicine expert Dr. Andrew Weil says, this plant is so fascinating and so useful. It is hard to imagine a plant that's been more useful to human beings. And Dr. Bonnie Goldstein, who is one of America's most experienced physicians when it comes to using this plant, reports, used in the right way, it is extremely powerful. What is this natural breakthrough botanical they're so fired up about? It's called CBD, one of the most powerful non-intoxicating compounds in the hemp plant. Well, what is CBD? Isn't it just weed? CBD stands for cannabidiol. It's a phytonutrient found in the hemp plant, which is known scientifically as cannabis. Some folks, when they hear it comes from cannabis, they immediately write it off, assuming CBD is just a code name for marijuana or weed. But it's simply not true. CBD won't get you high. The first thing you need to understand about CBD is that it's non-psychoactive, which means CBD won't get you high, not one bit. And there's no debate about this. The World Health Organization, the U.S. National Institutes of Health, and the scientific data all confirm this. There is no THC in CBD. There is an entirely different compound found in marijuana known as THC. That's the compound that creates the high. With CBD, you get all the powerful health benefits of this plant without feeling any of the intoxicating effects of THC. Is there any scientific research on CBD, or is it all just anecdotes? The answer is an overwhelming yes. There is impressive research on CBD. This might surprise you because big government and big pharma have spent years and millions of dollars through lobbyists, propaganda, and legal red tape to brainwash the American public into believing CBD is just weed. And everyone knows the pharmaceutical industry does not create cures, they create customers. Cannabis is medicine. Every 19 minutes, someone dies of prescription drug overdose. It doesn't happen with cannabis, says Dr. Gupta. What's wrong with this picture? Cannabis has 34 cures for cancer and is not FDA approved. Chemotherapy was discovered by poisoning people with mustard gas and is FDA approved. I like this one better. I have more confidence in a plant that God created than a man-made FDA-approved pill. And government propaganda has been going on for who knows how long. And you can see that their smear campaign worked. Everyone thinks that cannabis plant is just another joyride for hippies, losers, and societal dropouts, right? And that no serious research has really been done. What the government didn't tell you is the hemp plant has been cultivated by humans for 6,000 years and was even a cash crop in the colonial U.S. George Washington grew it, and so did Thomas Jefferson. In fact, from 1850 to 1936, cannabis was used as the primary medicine for more than 100 separate illnesses and/or diseases in the U.S. Doctors and pharmacists prescribed it as medicine up until 1937. That's when it all changed. An overzealous federal agent looking to make a name for himself decided to rebrand this sacred healing plant as a national menace. Dr. Raphael Mishulam, an Israeli organic chemist, is the world's leading authority on the science of cannabis and how it can heal the body. Even though the U.S. government made full-scale clinical trials on cannabis illegal in America, it quietly funded Dr. Mishulam's research at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem as sort of an offshore laboratory to explore what this plant can really do for our health. So it should surprise you then that this very same government granted $4.5 million over the years to this man. He has since published more than 280 scientific articles exploring how CBD and other compounds in the hemp plant called phytocannabinoids work in the body. And each result has been more stunning than the last, for everything from soothing stress and anxiety, calming microinflammation, enhancing brain function, regulating metabolism and energy balance, and even enhancing the body's natural bone-building process. And in spite of what the government wants you to believe, one of the most important discoveries to date was actually made right here on U.S. soil. But they've been keeping it hidden since 1988. You see, researchers at St. Louis University Medical School discovered a signaling network hidden in the brain and throughout the entire body that changed the future of CBD in America forever. It's named the endocannabinoid system, or the ECS. This network of receptors is specifically designed to use CBD and other compounds in the hemp plant. In fact, you were born with this endocannabinoid system. God gave it to you. That's right. Your body is made to use this powerful botanical. In fact, the brain has more cannabinoid receptors than any other type of receptor. The ECS keeps everything in balance by boosting your mood, regulating your pain responses, and even promoting sound sleep patterns. What's even more stunning, a recent government study revealed the ECS is involved in nearly every aspect of human health. The trouble is, our overstressed world makes it harder and harder for the ECS to stay balanced on its own. Stress can wear this delicate system down until you can't tolerate stress like you used to. You're not sleeping well. Aches and pains become part of your everyday life. CBD heals and protects the brain. CBD helps balance the endocannabinoid system in the brain, which regulates mood, clear thinking, attention, and focus. And here's what else you need to know. CBD has incredible antioxidant potential as well. And for the brain's delicate cells, which are constantly under attack by free radicals, this is a very big deal. In fact, Dr. Esther Blessing of New York University School of Medicine, who is leading a clinical study on CBD right now, declares CBD is the most promising discovery that has come out for the brain in the last 50 years. It has a unique combination of safety and effectiveness. CBD relieves your stress and anxiety. What would you do if you could finally loosen the grip of stress before it strangles all the joy out of your life? How much better would your day be if you didn't feel derailed by everything life has to throw at you? If your busy mind was finally calm, without an endless list of worries to filter through, if you could be more present with your family, friends, and loved ones, that's the life-altering promise of CBD. CBD could be the most powerful answer to aging the world has ever known. You see, all the areas of your body that make you feel old, not just your brain, but also your skin, your vascular system, your eyes, and even your bones and muscles, have receptors that are built for this plant extract. So do your lungs, kidneys, pancreas, thyroid, immune system, gastrointestinal tract, liver. They are all linked into the ECS. This underscores just how powerful CBD can be throughout your entire body and for your overall health and well-being. Before you try it, you need to know this one important fact that answers the all-important question. How can I guarantee CBD works for me? It all comes down to the way your CBD is made. People across America are raving about CBD, but some have reported they simply can't feel it. So what's the difference? And is there hope for you if you've been let down by CBD in the past? Yes. The CBD boom has brought on a rise in the number of different CBD producers, most operating under ill-defined regulatory standards. Many individuals looking to make a profit are falsely advertising their CBD hemp oils. Many products are only 18 to 20% absorbed, or many don't have enough CBD in them to even do any good. That's why Z-Blend's hemp oil is fast becoming the go-to safe pain relief remedy for millions of Americans. Z-Blend's hemp is a super concentrated CBD isolate formula, providing the purest, highest pharmaceutical CBD oil available. What makes Z-Blend's hemp different? Well, how Z-Blend's hemp is grown. Z-Blend's hemp is organically grown in the United States without the use of pesticides, synthetic fertilizers, genetically modified organisms, or ionizing radiation. And it's handled in a Good Manufacturing Practices GMP site. This means that the products are consistently produced and controlled at quality standards. The hemp is extracted using a CO2 process, which is a safe and clean method, free of any chemicals. This method is also non-toxic and does not contribute toward carbon emissions. Once extracted, the hemp oil is processed using nanoemulsion advanced technology, or NEAT, the best absorption method possible. Nanoemulsion is a manufacturing process in which the size of the oil is made small enough to absorb directly into the bloodstream. Most oil products are 6 to 20% bioavailable, while our NEAT oil is 85% bioavailable. This matters. You're absorbing more of the ingredients, which means you're not only getting your money's worth, but helping your body in the best way. Yes, Z-Blends hemp is 85% absorption in your body, and this matters. Why would anyone want to pay 100% for something they only get 6% to 20% value? The Z-Blends hemp oil delivers premium blends of nano-emulsified hemp oil straight to your body where it matters most to help combat life's stressors. Let's take a look at what it does for the brain. Helps combat stress, helps improve attention span, improves ability to focus, regulates mild mood changes, delays the onset of memory loss, calms the mind, boosts the brain function. And for the internal function, helps to maintain healthy cholesterol levels, boosts the immune system, helps to alleviate menstrual pain. And for the skin, helps regulate the skin's oil production, reducing acne, contains nutrients that help improve and protect the skin. For the neck, helps reduce head and neck tension. The stomach helps maintain healthy weight, helps reduce water retention. The hands helps maintain healthy bones, improves skin and nails, reduces joint and muscle pain caused by overuse. The legs helps to maintain strong bones, helps reduce sore muscles. Z-Blends hemp comes in 3 different formulas: the daily blend, the energy blend for an extra boost of energy, and the sleep blend that calms your body for the best sleep ever. Like Hippocrates said, our food should be our medicine, and our medicine should be our food. It's important to understand that CBD isn't just for those with medical conditions. Healthy people also benefit from using CBD as part of a preventative health plan to promote quality sleep, to help reduce stress and anxiety, and to act as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Z-Blends hemp plays a huge role in balancing our endocannabinoid system that controls everything in the entire human body. And when our ECS gets out of balance, it creates health challenges, and our body is in trouble. As we age, the receptors in our ECS deteriorates, and the body suffers from cannabinoid deficiency. And research has shown that small doses of cannabinoids from CBD can signal the body to make more endocannabinoids and build more cannabinoid receptors. Stop just living and start thriving.